Welcome back on Bob FM to Meshbesher Monday. It is a great pleasure to have Mark Streed, personal injury attorney from Meshbesher and Spence, with us. Mark, good morning.
Good morning, Neil. Thanks for having me.
All right, let's talk about a new topic today. I've been in a crash, and I'm neck's a little sore, back's a little sore, but maybe it isn't too bad. When do I make the decision to call a personal injury attorney?
That's a good question, Neil. And what I would suggest, if in that situation, if it's soon after the crash and you're physically functioning relatively well, but you're having a neck or back thing, go into your doctor, get a baseline, have them check you out, see if there's anything more going on. It's much more important to get in to see a doctor right away than to get your lawyer involved. Okay. If things are a little more serious, or those neck and back problems or whatever injury it is has been stretched out for a week or 3 or 4, it's really important. If you start thinking about it, that's probably a good signal that it's time to go interview one.
Okay.
And when you interview a lawyer, assess, does the lawyer seem to know what he or she is doing? Does she or he have a staff? Do you feel comfortable with them? Do they seem sincere and will you be able to work with them for a year or 2? And if the answer is yes, the answer is probably already there. Hire them, get them to help take the worries and the stresses with medical bills, going to appointments. Get that off your plate so you can focus solely on trying to get better.
Yeah, I mean, we're talking about, some long-term ramifications here. This could affect your personal well-being for a long time in the foreseeable future. So not something to mess around with. If you're having those issues, make the determination to get a hold of an attorney. But if they may be a little concerned about cost. Yeah. How does that factor in?
Yeah, and that really should not hold someone back, because unlike other types of law where we ask that they pay a retainer up front or we bill by the hour, on personal injury cases, Neil, we only get paid if there's a successful recovery for the wrongdoer that caused our client to be harmed and injured, and that should not be an obstacle for hiring a lawyer.
There's some peace of mind right there, folks. So if you're in this situation currently and you haven't made the decision to contact a personal injury attorney, don't worry about the money. I mean, let's take care of your long-term health.
Yep, peace of mind. We can do that. We can aggressively protect your rights and advance your rights with the insurance companies, and also get down to an important investigation to really clarify what the facts are regarding a crash or any other type of injury-causing incident.
All right, if you've been in an accident and you're concerned or this fits you, Mark, how do they contact you and get your professional advice?
Neil, you can contact us at any of our 4 Minnesota offices, or check us out at meshbesher.com, because remember, the lawyer you choose does make a difference.
That's our Meshbesher Monday on Bob FM.